Hi everyone, let's dive right into a delicious and super nutritious recipe, mung beans and apple casserole. First up, we've got mung beans. About one bowl, I've already washed and soaked them for about 30 minutes, and now I'll transfer them into a pan to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. As the mung beans simmer, let's get started on the flavorful twist we're going to add to them. Now, to make these mung beans super exciting, we'll be adding fresh coriander and spicy jalapeno. I'm chopping up a generous handful of coriander here. It's a fantastic source of vitamin K and antioxidants that help support your immune system. Keep checking and stirring the beans a couple of times. Next, let's bring out the jalapeno. Did you know they're rich in vitamin C and can give your metabolism a nice little boost? Chop them roughly and toss them into the chopper with the coriander. Not to forget to add some chopped onions, garlic, and a splash of fresh lemon juice for that zesty kick. Now, we'll pulse this into a coarse mixture. Make sure to not grid them too much to get a good texture. All right, the mung beans are perfectly cooked and smelling amazing. Time to mix in our coriander and jalapeno blend. Add salt to your taste. Give them a good mix. Look at those colors. It's vibrant, fresh, and oh so inviting. I'll cover this and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to bring all those flavors together. And there you have it, a nutritious and flavorful mung bean base ready to go. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's make the apple condiment. It's tangy, sweet, and just the perfect pairing. For the condiment, I'm using 2 types of apples, Gala and Red Delicious. Mixing 2 varieties really elevates the flavor because each type has its own unique sweetness and texture. I've peeled and chopped the apples into medium-sized cubes. Now let's heat a pan and add a little oil, followed by mustard seeds, a few cloves, and a cinnamon stick. These spices give the dish such a warm, comforting aroma. Next, in goes some sliced onions, garlic, and freshly chopped ginger. Sauté this for about 2 minutes to soften everything up. Now, for the stars of the show, our apples. They're rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, which is great for digestion and boosting immunity. I'll cook these on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes until they start releasing their juices. To balance the flavors, I'll add a little chili powder, a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, and of course, some salt and lemon juice. Give them a good mix. Can you smell that? It's divine. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer. After another 1 to 2 minutes of cooking, the apples are beautifully softened. I'll mash them lightly with a potato masher to create a luscious condiment that's so versatile, you can even enjoy it with nuts or crackers. And there you have it. Our mung beans and apple casserole is ready. You can have this with rice to make it a perfect and a balanced meal. This dish is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse. The mung beans give you plant-based protein, while the apples and spices add antioxidants and essential vitamins. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a wholesome meal any day of the week. I hope you loved this recipe as much as I loved making it for you. Try it out at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!